Mr. Haeusgen, the Hannover Fair 2024 has started. In which mood is the mechanical engineering industry?
Well, we start this week with a lot of curiosity, and I hope that by the end of the week we will be excited. What we see here is technology. What we see here is solutions. What we see here is managing the future, and I think this is a good thing to see.
Which economic outlook is the mechanical engineering industry bringing along to Hannover?
Well, the economic situation right now is not as exciting as the technology is. We are still forecasting a -4 on real production for our industry in Germany. So we are going through an economic down cycle.
What would be the decisive factors to change this downsize?
Well, we have to look at the competitiveness of our industry on a German level as well as on a European level. We have to look at corporate tax systems. We have to look at free trade agreements on a European level. We have to look to the supply of qualified labor in Germany and in Europe, though there's a lot of homework still to do.
Looking also at this year's partner country, Norway, what can we learn from them?
I think the big success of Norway has two columns. One is having a discussion and different opinions in society without polarizing. My impression of Norway is it's kind of a collaborative society, and we can learn from that. And the other thing is the openness for new concepts, the openness for technology, the willingness to innovate even when there is a risk coming along with it.
2024 is also a big year for the EU. There's going to be a big vote in the summer, and Ursula von der Leyen has been here in Hanover yesterday. What are our messages for the EU Commission?
I think there is a symbolic value to the fact that the President of the Commission, Mrs. von der Leyen, has been here to Hanover, showing her presence. Our messages are twofold. On the one side, we should all go to the EU vote, and we should try to avoid polarizing the parliament, but having a strong central movement in the parliament. On the other side, we hear a lot of positive messages, also from the Commission, also from Ms. von der Leyen, but actions are not following suit. And a good example is the supply chain due diligence law, which was passed in the very last moment with cosmetic changes, and it's still a poor law. And the other example, free trade agreements, Mercosur, even though it's totally negotiated, it's ready, it's not gone through.